Welcome back, guys. Today comes the fun part because we want to explore Decentraland, and I show you today how you get in there, how you can use the builder tool, and how you can join events and a few things more directly after the intro. Welcome to Decentraland. The link you can find in the video description, and you can download the software or you can try it out here in the browser, and that's what we do now. You can log in with your live account or you can play it as a guest, and we will try it out as a guest now. We start from 0. And now it takes a while just to download all the assets, but it is ready very soon. And here we go. Welcome to Genesis Plaza, Crocodile, #E639, and this is our avatar. Here you can walk around. This is the same thing like a 360-degree shooter. Same control. I think I don't have to explain that. Just try it out. And here you can move around. You can join some other worlds in the Metaverse or events. You can speak with other people, but I don't want to speak now. Just want to check it out a little bit, what we can do here. Here it is, Dragon Rush. This is another world. Let's check it out here. Click on jump in. Here you can enter directly into this world. It's loading. And here we are. Now, where's the dragon? I want to find him. Look, maybe there. Ah, yes. I think I can see him. Let's go. Now we have a door here, but let's have a look. What's happened with this dragon? Jump, okay. Go upstairs. I got you. Okay, now how we can fly this dragon. Here we get some instructions. Okay, let's see what we can do more here. Not too much. Then let's try to fly this dragon. Let's jump on his back. And... come on, dragon. Whoa! I think he don't want to fly with me now at the moment. Okay, no problem. Maybe we come back later. Just have a look what we can do more here. I think maybe we can click on our profile here, and then let's explore some events. I can show you here. I have a lot of events here in Decentraland. Very interesting things. You can see, you can choose a lot of them and have a look. What looked interesting? Very different things here, for example, like meditation in Decentraland. Meditation with Japanese Buddhist chant. Why not? No? You can see all the information about the event, when it is and where, and how you can join. Another thing here that looks very interesting here, the vendor conference and expo in November 6 and 7. Very nice. Here you can, for example, you can make, you can promote your business, you can join these conferences or this expo, or you can host your own expo. Very interesting. And if you have a land here in Decentraland, in the Metaverse, then you can charge money from other members there if they wanna show their products or show their company there. Like a real expo, but everything is virtual here. And now let's go to another very interesting part. As a 3D artist, is this really interesting now? This is the builder, and you can build the assets you can create. We have some predefined templates here with assets that you can build on the land, but here you can create from scratch. You can create a scene from scratch, just give it a name and whatever. The size here you can choose. And here we go. This is the workspace, and I think as a 3D artist you already know how it works. If you know Blender, this is almost the same thing. It's not too complicated. Here you can choose between the grounds, textures here. Just want to show you something quick in this tutorial. In another video I will show you more details. Now here you can grab some assets here, like stones or plants. Get everything here. Okay, just try it out a little bit. You can see this is everything in 3D. This tree is really big now. And here you can move around. You can also scale all the objects how you want. You can see here Z and Y and X axis, you can scale them. It's not complicated, just play a little bit around with it. It's like it's like a gaming engine you can say, like what you get, Buildbox or Unity. They also got these stores where you can put assets inside. And here now you can publish the scene. And here you can publish your scene, your final scene on the land of another landowner if you rent a space on his land or on your own land. You can publish it if you got one. So, and then we can go back to the marketplace here and can have a look what we have more here. And this is a lot of stuff here you can download here. Special moves for your character. You can see here some dancing moves and something like that. Then you get shoes, a lot of assets here you can use. School sneakers, you can see you can buy them. And you also can create them and can sell them here. You can see here the list of the top sellers. this is the interesting part for 3D artists. Here you can make money. I can see here the profiles from other sellers and what they have in their store. And here we have the lands. See all the lands here that you can buy, prices and all the informations. That's amazing. This is the future. That was just a quick tutorial of exploring a little bit from the Decentraland, what you can do there. And if you want to see more tutorials, more detailed tutorials, then just give the video a like and subscribe to my channel. And then see you soon. Bye.